You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this transmission protocol, or whatever this is. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but more confusing names from tech and technology and the internet. How do you go about pronouncing this? Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, not Wi-Fi, but rather Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, easy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.